Feeling like life's throwing everything but the kitchen sink at you? Bills piling up, relationship drama, that weird stain on the carpet you just can't identify? But what if I told you there's a secret weapon to stay cool, calm, and collected? Today we're diving into the wisdom of Epictetus, a badass dude from ancient Greece who basically invented the concept of chill. His motto, act as if nothing bothers you. Now hold up, this doesn't mean bottling up your emotions like a shaken up soda about to explode. Epictetus was all about mastering your reactions, not becoming a human robot. Here's the key. We can't control what happens to us. Traffic jams, surprise tests, your grandma accidentally dyeing her poodle purple, but we can control how we respond. Person A is letting the traffic control them. Person B? They're taking a deep breath, jamming to some tunes, and maybe even using that time to learn a new language on their phone. Here are 5 fun and relatable situations where Stoic wisdom can be applied. First up, the long line. You're at the grocery store, famished after a long day, and BAM! You get stuck in the slowest line ever. Instead of fuming and tapping your foot, use this as an opportunity to practice mindfulness. Take some deep breaths, maybe do some stretches, or even use a meditation app on your phone. Remember, you can't control the line, but you can control your reaction. Next we have tech troubles. You're about to give that presentation you've been working on for weeks, and your computer decides to take a permanent vacation. Don't panic. Take a deep breath, and remember what Epictetus said. Focus on what you can control. Can you present the information from memory? Do you have a backup on a flash drive? Focus on your options and adapt as needed. Number 3, flaky friend. You planned a fun night out with a friend, and they cancel last minute. Disappointment is natural, but don't let it ruin your evening. Remember, their actions are outside your control. This is your chance to do something you enjoy solo. Catch a movie, have a relaxing bath, or call up another friend who's always down for an adventure. Number 4, social media blues. Scrolling through social media and seeing everyone else's seemingly perfect lives can be a recipe for envy and discontent. Here's where Stoicism comes in. Remind yourself that social media is often a highlight reel, not reality. Focus on your own journey, your accomplishments, and the things that bring you joy. Number 5, losing your cool. Everyone gets angry or frustrated sometimes. The key is to recognize those emotions and not let them control you. When you feel yourself getting heated, take a time out. Go for a walk, listen to some calming music, or do some journaling. By giving yourself space to cool down, you can respond to the situation rationally instead of reacting impulsively. I want to thank you all for subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Stoicism isn't about becoming emotionless robots. It's about acknowledging your emotions, understanding what's within your control, and responding in a way that aligns with your values. Remember, Epictetus taught us some other awesome stuff too, like focusing on what you can control, not what you can't. And that true happiness comes from within, not that fancy new gadget everyone's raving about. So, the next time life throws you a curveball, channel your inner Epictetus. Take a deep breath, remember what you can control, and maybe even laugh at the absurdity of it all. Because hey, a little perspective can go a long way, baby.